more detail. So I made a separate web page just for this program. It's drillercrossfit.com/Wendler. That's the program we're doing. It has a video with the overview on it, but it also has this calculator. So that's kind of what I'm going over, along with the spreadsheet that I sent you guys to fill out. I think I have everyone's filled out by now. I'm just going to go over what all these numbers mean. So we have Shannon's pulled up here. So Shannon, we're just going to go over the squat. I think she did 100 pounds for 10 last week. So we get that number and we put it into the calculator, and it gives us about 110 pounds. So that would be her 1 rep max. That would be 100%, the most she could ever do. And this program is based off of 90% of that. So we put 90% of that into the calculator. That's 100 pounds. Then it populates this entire spreadsheet, not only for this month, but for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 months. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep repeating this program at higher weights until she can't get the prescribed numbers anymore. And then she would switch to a different but similar exercise. So if we plateaued on the squat, she would move to the front squat. If she plateaued on the bench, she would move to the incline bench, that kind of thing. So it has a lot of room to grow. In theory, we could run this program for the next 5 years, but we probably won't. But what these numbers mean, so we have six numbers right here, and that's 3 warm-up sets and then 3 working sets. So for this week, her 3 working sets are 5, 5, and then this little offset number means it's 5 plus. The next week is 3, 3, 3 plus, and then 5, 3, 1 plus. The plus means she's doing as many reps as she can do. So when we got to 85 pounds in the last set, she would do it as many reps as she could do. And I think she got like 10 or 15 last week. What this is doing is it's letting us calculate a 1 rep max based off of those numbers. And then since we know what she's going to do next week, we can see how many reps we have to do to beat the last week. So you do have to do a little work outside of the gym, but it won't take long at all. And we're going to go on with our example. So say Shannon did 85 pounds for 10 reps. Then the next week she has to do 90 pounds. How many reps of 90 pounds does she have to do to set a personal record? So we'll go back to the webpage. So 85 pounds for 10 reps. That gives her a projected 1 rep max of 113.05 pounds. All right, then we put in 90 pounds because we know she has to do that. And then if she does 10 reps, obviously that's a PR because it's more weight at the same reps. Well, what about 9 reps? If she does 90 for 9, is that a PR as well? It is. And then 8 reps, what does that give us? 113.76, so that's a PR too. And 7 is not going to be a PR. That's going to be 110. So when she comes in week 2, so say she could check these numbers on her lunch break. She comes to the 6 o'clock class. She could check these numbers on her lunch break. And then the rest of the time, the second half of her workday is her going to be knowing that she has to hit 90 pounds for 8. So when she comes into the gym, she has a plan. She's going to kick butt, get 90 for 8, get a PR, get her ribbon, get her name on the PR board. And then we have the same things for the bench, the deadlift, and the overhead press. The 4 lifts we're running with this program. So that's a little video, a little overview. I hope you guys like it.